Toyota Texas going to expand its plans? Yes, the new expansion is going to be done with an approved $531 million. Toyota hasn't announced its construction schedule yet, but we can observe the comments from Toyota's owners. What do you think about that expansion? What would be the impact made by this in the automobile industry? In this video, we're going to unveil the expansion by Toyota's Texas. Without further delay, let's begin. Guys, the expansion plan by Toyota Texas is expected to significantly enhance the production capacity of the San Antonio manufacturing plant. The new 500,000 square foot facility will be dedicated to manufacturing various crucial drivetrain components, including axles, wheels, drive shafts, and gearbox systems. This expansion will enable Toyota to meet the growing demand for its vehicle and further strengthen its supply chain. But still, the exact construction schedule has not been disclosed yet. The project indicates Toyota's commitment to investing in the local economy and creating job opportunities. And it's good to hear that the addition of over 400 new full-time positions will not only benefit the company, but also provide a boost to the local workforce and economy. And do you know the sprawling 2,000-acre Toyota Automakers, which has been in operation for nearly 2 decades? It is a hub of innovation and productivity. It stands as the exclusive production site for the all-hybrid Sequoia SUV and the popular Tundra truck, both rolling off this same state-of-the-art assembly line. Let's talk about the statistics of new vehicles manufactured in 2023. In 2023 alone, a staggering volume of almost 181,000 new vehicles was successfully manufactured within the facility's walls. These statistics showcase the impressive scale and capability of the operation, and so Toyota's unwavering commitment is evident in the substantial $4.7 billion investment poured into the facility and the surrounding local economy. It drives growth and prosperity in the region. This significant investment has not gone unnoticed, with Texas Governor Greg Abbott commending Toyota Texas for its latest endeavor. The governor emphasizes the $531 million project to expand the manufacturing facility as a clear indicator of the state's unparalleled business-friendly atmosphere. It has competitive tax incentives and a skilled labor force ready to take on new opportunities. Are you thinking, what is the future of Toyota after that expansion? Looking at the future, Toyota Texas is poised for further expansion in San Antonio, Texas, with plans to create more than 400 high-quality jobs through the project. As part of this expansion, the newly constructed 500,000 square foot assembly facility is set to specialize in producing advanced drivetrain parts. It showcases the company's continuous drive for innovation and efficiency in its operations. After the approved expansion of the Toyota facility, what are the remarks of President of Toyota's Texas, Suzanne Kazunas? President of Toyota Texas empathetically conveyed, "Our team members stand poised with anticipation, eager to embrace the upcoming growth opportunities that will further enhance both our plant's capabilities and workforce. Their exceptional talents, boundless creativity, and unwavering dedication to our products serve as the driving force propelling us forward. As we prepare to welcome 400 new team members in the Toyota Texas family, we are filled with immense excitement at the prospect of expanding our workforce, but also nurturing a community founded on enthusiasm and mutual respect, symbolizing the enduring commitment to long-term job stability that this bold investment signifies." So, what are the scorings of the Toyota's production? It's worth noting that the exclusive production of the all-hybrid Sequoia SUV and the iconic Tundra truck at Toyota Texas underscores our unique position in the automotive industry. These vehicles, meticulously crafted on the same assembly line using cutting-edge technology and expertise, exemplify our dedication to delivering top-notch quality and innovation. Each step of their assembly process is a testament to the exceptional skill and craftsmanship that define Toyota Texas, hence making us a beacon of excellence within the industry and beyond. Now, what are the remarks of Governor Greg Abbott of Texas about it? He stated, Texas is proud to be home of a global powerhouse like Toyota. Toyota Manufacturing has called Texas home for more than 20 years. With its new $531 million investment to expand its production facilities in San Antonio, Toyota Texas is demonstrating the state's unmatched business-friendly environment, low taxes, and educated workforce. I express my gratitude to Toyota for their persistent growth in Texas and eagerly anticipate fortifying our collaboration as we construct a more expansive and improved Texas for future generations. The Jenna Saucedo Herrera, President and CEO of Greater SADX, in collaboration with Toyota Motor Manufacturing (TX Incorporated), in their recent investment is the vibrant San Antonio region, expresses a gratitude towards that expansion. She emphasized the significance of this partnership, highlighting the mutual dedication to drive economic development and prosperity for the community. As she reflected on the successful support provided to Toyota Texas, Jenna reaffirmed more SADX's unwavering commitment to fostering a sustainable environment for continued growth and expansion. This dedication underscores the long-term vision that both entities share, focused on innovation, job creation, and the overall well-being of the region. Jenna's words echo the synergetic relationship between Greater SADX and Toyota Texas, rooted in a shared belief in the power of collaboration and the positive impact it can have on the community. Such partnerships serve as a cornerstone for driving progress and building a bright future for San Antonio and its residents. It further solidifies the bond between these entities in their collective efforts towards sustained success and growth. In addition to the more than 3,700 direct employees and 5,600 workers employed by Toyota Texas on-site suppliers, Toyota Texas will invest more than $500 million and generate 400 new jobs for San Antonians. We anticipate substantial job growth and an increase in the region's economy with investments of this magnitude, especially in the advanced manufacturing sector. The total investment by the corporation into the factory now exceeds an impressive sum of $4.7 billion, demonstrating Toyota's commitment to innovation, efficiency, and long-term success in manufacturing operations. This substantial financial commitment underscores the company's confidence in the workforce's capabilities and the plant's strategic importance within Toyota's global manufacturing network. Suzanne Kazunas highlighted the team's readiness to embrace the challenges and opportunities that come with expanding operations, and what other investments are made for the production line. Earlier this month, it announced a $282 million investment to establish new production lines for drivetrain goods in Huntsville, Alabama. 7 Toyota vehicle facilities in North America receive engines from Toyota Alabama, the company's largest engine production. So, the expansion of Toyota Texas not only increases production capabilities, but also increases the path for skillful labor. What are your comments about their expansion? Which positive things do you observe the most in that expansion? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time.